Tips for home sellers on a budget. If you are working on getting your home ready to sell it in the next few days, weeks, or months, I have a lot of budget-friendly tips for you. Listen up and stay until the end of the video because I have a bonus tip for you as well. My name is Claudia Nelson. I'm a real estate agent in and around Woodbridge, Virginia. I work with home sellers all the time. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more great information about the local area and everything real estate related. Let's get into it. First of all, declutter. Does not cost you anything. If you are moving to a smaller place, get rid of as much as possible before you even put the house on the market. Ultimately, you have to get rid of that stuff anyway when you're moving to a smaller property. If you're moving to a larger property or same size property and you cannot get rid of too much stuff, then consider storing a lot of the stuff in the garage or in a spare room or storage room inside the house. If you have some money, rent a storage unit or a pod. Now, you can do a yard sale and sell a lot of the items that you're wanting to get rid of and get some money to do a couple of things to the house. Here are a few other things that you can do. Cleaning. And with cleaning, I'm also talking about walls, light switches. Make sure you clean them really, really well. Appliances, make sure they're sparkling. Floors, everything needs to be in really, really good condition. If you cannot afford to paint, then get a magic eraser or Clorox wipes and try to wipe off some of the scuffs if that's possible. If you can, get some touch-up paint, especially for the trim, and get trim paint and go and touch up the trim so that it looks fresh and not scuffed. Get some caulk and kind of caulk around where the trim and drywall meet so that it looks nice and fresh. Talking about caulk, make sure you caulk your bathrooms. There's more that you can do. Light fixtures. If you have the budget, update some of your old light fixtures. You can get inexpensive light fixtures that make a statement, and trust me, it is worth. Light fixtures really show the age of the house, especially if it's one of those golden light fixtures. Curb appeal. Take a can of paint and paint the front door. Very inexpensive. Do it in a color that pops. Now be careful if you're in an HOA. Get rid of old curtains or get rid of wallpaper if you can. It just looks outdated. Curtains obviously is easy. Wallpaper is a little bit more difficult, but if you can, get rid of both. Bonus tip: if you want to go the extra mile, you can paint old cabinets. Put some nice new hardware on there. That actually is an inexpensive trick to make your home look much more modern. If you have any question, my name is Claudia Nelson, local real estate agent, and I'm happy to help you whether you are ready to sell your home now, in a few days, few weeks, few months, or years from now. Reach out to me. I'm happy to help with all your real estate needs. Talk later.